everybody. Thanks for joining me to do a little walkthrough of my new dance, That Creek Will Rise. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner level line dance with one easy restart. Let's get started as I turn around here. Weights on our left, and by the way, I'm going to be going through the steps on each section and then I'll come back around to do the count for the entire dance. So, weights on our left foot. We are going to start with a walk forward 2 steps, but there are hold counts after each step. So we're walking right, hold, left, hold, 2 heel switches, right together, left together. That is the end of section 1. You'll want your weight on your left foot. Let's start section 2 with a step forward of the right, right, tap behind with your left, back on your left as you kick right, and then a mambo step with the right foot backwards, mambo with a touch, hold. We are going to do a quarter pivot turn to start section 3. I'm going to step forward on my right foot, step, turn, weights on my left foot. I'm going to step across, cross, hold, 2 side touches. Start with my left foot, left, touch, right, touch. Finally, section 4. I'm going to do a half rumba box to my left and forward as a side, together, leading left, step, hold. It'll feel like I'm doing the rest of the rumba box, but I'm not. It's a fake out there. So we're going to step right together, and instead of going back, you are going to do count 7 and 8 as a swivot. And I'm going to, as I'll do it here, a swivot is going to put you up and back down with weight on the left, ready to start the dance again. I'm going to turn around to show you. If you haven't done a swivot before, just kind of explaining what's going on here. We had just stepped right together, and this is the very end of the dance. Watch my right heel. I'm going to take weight there, and I'm going to take weight on my left ball of my foot. So if you see what I've done there, I've lifted, and then to finish the swivot, as you're lifting, you're turning and bringing it back. I'm not too good at holding that very slowly. So it's up, back, or to the right, back. All right? So that corresponds with the chorus where he says, creek will rise. You're rising up as you do that swivot. All right, so from the top all the way through with a count. Ready, go. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, pack, kick. And let me try that again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Turning left. 1, 2, cross 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the dance. The restart will happen one time, and it happens here at the front. It'll happen when we go all the way around and we hit the front wall again. You're going to do it after 16 counts, right before where you would normally turn. So let's simulate that. We're going to walk forward first. Ready, go. Walk, hold, heel together, step, tap, step, kick, mambo, touch, restart, walk, walk. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. It's a great song by Connor Smith, up and coming artist. Watch him. He'll be going places. Thanks for watching.